Today we're overwintering peppers, and you've got nothing to lose with this one. Okay, so if you walked in to find your seed trays all crusted up like this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and overwinter these peppers. These are green bell peppers. Just use the spade, we dig it out of the ground, we put it into a large pot like this, okay? Okay, so these are bell peppers. We're going to overwinter these. Quite simply, we need to chop off all the leaves first. So let's go ahead and do that. I've already dug it out of the ground, as you can see. Now this is what we want to see, nice Y shape. Do you see it here? We want to go 2 nodes above it, so 1, 2, 1, 2. So we leave these on, take the rest of the leaves off. There you go, and we want to put this somewhere cool, so a garage, somewhere around, well, no hotter than 15 degrees. It will stop growing. You can put a mulch in the bottom, and we basically want it to go dormant over the growing season. So, well, over the winter period. Once it's gone dormant, it'll go to sleep. It'll only need watering once a month, and just leave it over winter in a garage or a potting shed. Probably only needs an hour of light a day, and bring it out next spring and then let it do its thing. So it's a good one to do if you are doing a lot of peppers. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more of the same. We'll keep you going all through the season, give you helpful tips on how to sow and grow. I'm Glenn, this is Veggie Patch Ideas. We'll see you soon.